I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Samoa.
Mr. President, Excellencies, Samoa aligns itself with the statement delivered by Fiji on behalf of the Pacific Island Forum, and I wish to add the following remarks in my national capacity. Samoa stands in solidarity with the people of Ukraine. As a peace-loving and vulnerable small island state, Samoa believes that there are only a few global mechanisms available to safeguard our security, continued existence, and well-being. One of these lies in the maintenance of global peace and the respect for rule-based international order. The preamble of the UN Charter highlights as one of its key raison d'etre of our organization, and I quote, is to save successful generation from the scourge of war and to live in peace with one another as good neighbors. Colleagues, that must be our main focus now as members of the UN family. Samoa is greatly concerned by the invasion of Ukraine by the Russian Federation. Such action is in clear violation of the territorial integrity and sovereignty of Ukraine, and inconsistent with the stated principles laid out in Article 2 of the UN Charter. We condemn Russia's unprovoked attack on Ukraine. Samoa strongly advocates for peace and urge all actors involved to focus their efforts on ensuring an immediate cessation of hostilities, protection of civilian and civilian infrastructure, refraining from actions that may further escalate the dangerous and delicate situation in Ukraine, cease all military operation and return to the barracks, and prioritize diplomacy to diffuse tension. The current call by both Ukraine and Russia for peace talk is therefore most welcome. We join the chorus of call by other delegations on Russia to respect the founding principle of the UN Charter, abide by the principle of international law, state sovereignty and territorial integrity, and fully honor the Minsk Agreement as adopted by the Security Council in 2015. Mr. President, Samoa strongly supports the statement made by the Secretary General last week and yesterday. Samoa may be a small state, but it is our moral obligation to speak up and to be counted for the principle upon which we have all subscribed to. Let us all give peace a chance and support the UN draft resolution. Samoa will co-sponsor and vote yes. Thank you, Mr. President.
I thank the distinguished representative of Samoa.